Good morning, everyone. We're up in the wood hole. This hawk is following me. There might be a couple of them in here, but this one has followed me. I walked to the other end of the wood hole, and it followed me down. It swooped right down at me, and then it followed me to the other end, and then it followed me back. It's crazy. But we have a leaner that's leaned into this big tamarack right here. Right there, that leaner right there goes up and is hung up in that tamarack. So we might chunk that down, get it to come down. That'll be fun. Okay, see it? See how rotten it is at the stump? Super rotten, right? That was easy. Make sure, take a look up, make sure there isn't anything still hanging up there. Give it a minute or so before you go in, right? But this is great for tension and compression, right? So let's do some of that. We'll get one good cut. Anyway, maybe two. We can start right here and do a whole bunch. But see how it's off the ground right there? All the way across the road over there. Need a little bit more aggressive chain, I think, on the 500i. Take the rakers down a swipe. Huh? Just a little interjection here. This video is broken up into two different times that I went to the wood hole. Okay? One day the day I filled that leaner, I was just out messing around. It was the day that I made the video of doing the face cuts on the stumps. Okay? So I did that, and then I left that tree, and then now we're just getting back to it and cleaning it up. Okay? So the beginning of the video, when I filled that leaner, was with the stock 500i. Okay? And now this second part of the video will be when I run the 500. When I run a 500i, it will be the ported 500i. Okay? So listen to the difference. Notice the difference in the sound of it. The 4-stroke with the stock one and no 4-stroke with the ported one. Okay? Keep that in mind. Okay? Taz XP is the same. All right? So we all love the Taz XP. Taz XP rocks. Thanks, fellas. All right. Thank you, folks, for watching this far. I appreciate it. And don't forget the like button in the end. Or right now. Thanks. I love y'all. Welcome back, everyone. Well, we made it back to the wood hole one more time. Not really sure what they're going to do with this. If they're going to log it or leave it alone. I don't know. But I'm gonna cherish every time that I get to come up here and cut wood and spend time up here. I know it's a pretty special place to a few other people, Old Timer and Johnny Arnett for sure. So anyway, we're just gonna do a little bit of cleanup today. We're gonna clean up that leaner that I fell, and we're gonna buck up some other odds and ends, and just get a load of Grand Fir. Okay? Hope you're all having a great day. Welcome to all the new subscribers. I really appreciate everybody coming in. Yeah, we're growing. Not real fast, but we're growing. And we're solid, right? Right. All right, everybody. Let's get to cutting. We got the Taz XP today, and we've got the ported 500i. Both by Aaron Lynch. Okay? Hand filed with a round file. Full house. 28-inch bars. Let's get to cutting. Okay? Taz XP's already warmed up, so let's go. Isn't that just a beauty? Yeah. Oh, it's a nice axe. Really nice axe. Don't let me forget that axe, okay? Thanks. Couple more pieces and we got her whooped. Yoo-hoo! Here we go. All loaded up. Nice cleanup load. I love doing this towards the end of the I mean, it's good firewood season right now, but like I said, I don't know what's going to happen with the old wood hole. So anyway, it's just nice to be able to make it as many times up here as I can. And clean it up, you know, because I come in here, and, you know, you guys know, you folks know, I come in here and cut firewood. And then on days like this where I don't need to fall another tree, I'll just start cleaning some stuff up. Makes it a nicer place to come back to. That's for sure. Thanks for watching, everybody. And thanks to everybody that has been so patient with some of my technical difficulties. I appreciate that everybody still continues to come around and enjoy the channel. I think I might have found another Douglas fir. Dead. Maybe two. I'll have to go look at those. Anyway, I love y'all. Take care. And be safe. TazMan. is rolling. Stay tuned for more fun stuff on the TazMan's channel. We love you.